wetlands are kind of right where land and water start to overlap. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's wet. It results in this incredibly awesome ecosystem that we're in right now. Highland Springs High School for the past couple years has done a program with the James River Association where we go canoeing and we learn about the watersheds, we learn about tides, we learn about the abiotic and biotic factors, and we also get an opportunity to do some water quality testing. Hold that into the sample cup. There you go, flip it up. Let that bubble travel up and down and mix it, flip it. Let that bubble mix it, flip it again. What do you see? What do you observe?
It's blue.
The question is, can you have too much dissolved oxygen? For our purposes, no. But if you go up north, sometimes if you have a lake that's frozen but there's no snow on top, that ice allows light to shine through so stuff can photosynthesize and produce oxygen. And then you end up with fish kills caused by too much oxygen rather than 99% of the time, too little oxygen. It's a great opportunity for our guys. I'd say at least over half of our guys have never been canoeing, never even been on a boat. And for them to have this opportunity is just an awesome experience.
Today was 2 field trips, one with Greenwood Elementary School and Highland Springs High School, and both trips were funded with $1,000 grants from Kids to Park. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a student-led science curriculum lesson. Yep. So you guys are welcome to go ahead and touch them on the back. Yep.
It's like slimy.
Yeah, isn't he slimy? That's a protective coating.
I learned about the American eels, that they're very common around here. I thought they, and I also learned that they migrate to the Caribbean Sea, and then they just come back after they lay their eggs. The babies just come back at the exact same place.
There's 5 stations, okay? Station number 1 is at the picnic table. Do you see that aquarium there? There's something in there that's native to the James River that you're gonna learn about.
It's really smooth. Wait, is this, it might be a tadpole.
No, I don't think that's. My favorite was the tadpoles.
You can put him right here. Yeah, so what do you think he is?
Salamander.
Okay, and
Don't your hands have to
what do you notice about him? Yeah, he's okay. Put a little bit of water on him. Go ahead, you want to touch him? So what's your questions? Can you read your first question out?
Spotted.
He's spotted, I like that. So what do you think he eats? That's number 1.
Seaweed.
My favorite one was probably the newts. I think they're like lizards, which I've always wanted a lizard.
What do we call animals that eat plants? What do you think he likes to eat?
I'm thinking small insects.
I think flies.
No little gnats.
Or really small baby fish.
Okay, write it down.
Be careful. I'm not gonna.
At the James River Association, we really try to introduce that term about being advocates of the river, being supporters of the river and understanding the natural resources that, the James River provides all the water for Henrico County and the city of Richmond, and that water resource is super important.
All right, you want to sprinkle some dirt on the side of our mountain? Where else might we have a lot of bare dirt washing into the river?
We went over landscapes and the James River.
The farmland goes right up next to the river, so there's no barrier. All right, so add some more dirt to our farm field. If it rains, we'll see if that dirt will stay on the land or not.
We were seeing how runoff and erosion affects the James River, or how it empties into the polluted river.
Okay, that has a leaf near it. Yeah, one's brown and the rest are green. What do you think the green represents? Grass. And when do we have a house site where there's no grass, where it's all dirt? You got a guess? Yes, a construction site. All right, put some dirt on our construction site.
The gray, you guys, is a huge watershed. It's actually the largest watershed on the East Coast. It's called the Chesapeake Bay Watershed. Another station with Greenwood Elementary School was to just understand what a watershed is and how watersheds are, vital in understanding how everything is connected within the Chesapeake Bay.
PRYJ.
People ride yellow Jeeps.
Potomac, Rappahannock, York, and James.
All the states right. PRYJ, rivers flow to the bay. That's Potomac, Rappahannock, York, and James. Give them a round of applause. What was our time, Tori? 18 seconds. That is a really tough time. Let's do the next group.